it is time for you to be paid as close as possible according to your effort, according to how you desire to be paid. I believe that this is a year where just settling for $50 here or $20 there, how's that going to transform your life? Yes, people like what you would call lower cost items to resell, or people like to start an income stream, to earn extra income low. However, I just want to encourage you to, if you do start low, make sure that you have something where you can scale up, okay? Because you're doing a lot of effort and you want to get a return on that. You want to be rewarded for your effort. It's not like our jobs. It's set. So you can be a high achiever on your job and the next person could be a lower achiever. They're not putting out as much effort, but you both can be paid the same. So in your job, someone else is setting your salary, or they are approving your salary, or they're evaluating you based on your effort, your expertise, what you're bringing to the workplace. They're evaluating that. And even though they have the authority, even though they're the decision maker, to say, you know what, I want to bump you up a couple, $20,000 because you've been so great. They have measures and they have caps. There's nothing wrong with having a job. I have a career myself. But when you come over here and you earn extra income, you have the opportunity to set the bar. This is what I'm reminding myself. You have the opportunity to set the bar. So one of these direct mail income systems has an excellent system in place. You start low, $50, and every person that you refer, the company will send you $25. That's great. But when you get your welcome kit, which is your full-fledged direct mail system that you can start mailing 200 postcards out the gate, there's an upgrade form that comes. It's an upgrade form for you to upgrade to phase 2. Really look at that page, because what you're selecting is you placing worth on yourself. You're selecting where your faith level is, and it's no problem if your faith level is wherever it is. That's fine, because you have the opportunity with what I started with earlier, is you'll have the opportunity to scale up. You have the opportunity to give yourself a raise. Isn't that good news? So you don't have to feel bad on where you start. I'm just encouraging you, start where you would like to earn. Now, there's a difference between being safe, being cautious, but you want to start somewhere where it is a stretch, but it's not. Does that make sense? Because if you count up everything that you purchase that you did not need in a month, that could very easily come up to $300 or $500 in a month. I bet you're like, no, yeah. Because that's another thing that we need to be doing. We need to be tracking what we're spending, what we're doing. I used to spend $20 a day or more eating out. 20 a day times 30, that's $600. See, when you begin to look at things like that, and then if you say, I don't have the 500, I don't have the 600, you have it. You got to look and see what you're spending it on. And then you ask yourself a question. This is what I ask myself, okay? I asked myself a question. Rhonda, are you willing to take that $20 a day that you're spending on eating out, coffee, your smoothies that you're buying? Are you willing to go and buy your own protein powder, your own coffee, make that at home so that you can take $600 and start you a business? Yes. So what does that mean? That means that if you don't have the 600 or the 500 right away, wait 30 days. Save that money. You'll have it. Okay? And so I want you to look at this direct mail income system. You can, I mean, I don't want to put any ideas, and I definitely don't want to do any hype or anything like that. I just want to encourage you to look at where you can set your own earning level. Okay, so I got to find a parking. Thank you for your time today. Click the link in the video description so you can take a tour of the direct mail system that I'm talking about. All right? All right. Many blessings.